This is a goblet box squat with ramps and a tempo. We are going to fully sit on the box, but we're focused on a 2 to 3 second count on the way down and 2 to 3 second count on the way up. I like to set the box up between the two ramps, the corner right here. That way you have a little bit more space to sit. You don't have to reach back while you're doing it. You will need to adjust the width of the ramps and the height of the box to fit your specific needs. If you are working with us, I will do that for you, okay? So set yourself up, feet on the ramps just like this. Make sure you find 3 points of contact in this position. Soft knees, keep the dumbbell just in front of your body like this. Don't have to rest it on your chest, and don't rest on your hips. You want to stay active while you're doing this. My knees stay soft. I can already feel my obliques, so I don't really have to think about finding them. I'm just going to give me a nice long exhale. Find the tension. Inhale into that tension so I have a brace. Now I'm stacked and ready to rock. I'm going to go down 2 to 3 seconds, starting with the knees going forward, hips going down. 1, 2, 3. Pause for a second on the box. I'm not going to rock back. I'm going to stay active in my stance, but my hips are relaxed. Then I'm going to exhale back up. Inhale down. 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3. Down. 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3. Down. 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3. Just like that. The goal is to stay active. Don't lock your knees. Don't rock the pelvis forward. Keep those abs working the whole time. If you get it right, when you're at the bottom, you will still feel like you're working, even though you're sitting on the box. Those deep abs right here underneath your belly button, they will be working, especially as you progress heavier with these dumbbells. Make sure you stay tall and you don't let your shoulders round. That is a goblet tempo box squat with ramps. Very nice, I like.